Do you think you can show them you can play? Hmm? Oh, look at you. Do you like that? Hmm? Do you like this toy? Can you get it? Hmm? Do you see the cat? No, come back. Look, say hi. Say hi, everybody. Hi. Hello. Look how cute I am. Say, look at me. Look at my sweet little face. And my floppy little ears. Oh, goodness. Yeah. And show them what a mellow little boy you are. Huh? Yeah. You're just as happy as can be to just lay around and be rubbed on. Huh? Yeah. But you've been alone a long time and you forgot how to play. Huh? Did you forget how to play? Here's a bunny. You play with the bunny? Hmm? You want to cuddle with the bunny? Oh, what a sweet boy. Gonna cuddle with the bunny now? Yeah, you're gonna cuddle with the bunny. Okay. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everybody. Come adopt me. Show him your floppy ears one more time. Bye-bye. Oh, he's so tired. It's been a busy day.